channel. It's Miss Tay Rose. This makeup look is inspired by Euphoria. I know that there's this euphoric trend that is going on right now on TikTok. A lot of people that have been doing this trend, they're using like rhinestones or glitter and bright colors so they can shine in the moonlight. I decided to try this euphoric orange makeup look. I did a previous euphoric makeup look or makeup looks not too long ago, so I'm going to place both videos in the cards above. I did this makeup look using mostly Profusion Cosmetics with a new product that I have. I'm going to place all my makeup products. All the information will be in the description box below. If you'd like to see how I did this makeup look, including the eyebrows and the lips, then keep watching. So I'm going to interject for a second. That was a very quick makeup tutorial. You can even wear this out and about, but the next steps are going to be, or the next step is just me blinging out my eyebrows, just like how I blinged out my eyebrows right here. The products that I will be using are the Swarovski Crystals set. A couple products that I use during this process are this is the rhinestone wax tool, and then instead for me to use lash glue, I want to save my brows. I'm going to use the NYX glitter primer. So for the glitter glue, I only put a tiny bit, which is right here. As for my brows, I did assorted rhinestones. I didn't do all big or all small. I arranged them first from big, medium to small. When you are doing this makeup look and you're going to see me write down what I do, is to start off with the bigger rhinestones and then you want to work your way down. It just makes the eyebrows look fantastic. So now that process is done, I'm going to delve into my lashes, which are by Lashes by Giselle, and this is in the style 36. I'm gonna pop these bad boys on and I'll be right back at you with the lips, which is oh so fun. So now for the lips. The first thing I'm going to do is apply on my lip liner and my lipstick. I'm going to go into the NYX Cosmetics lip pencil, and this is in the shade brown, followed by me going in with the NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Manline. I did a review on this not too long ago, so I'm going to place the cards above. Now that I've finished with this, I'm going to now apply rhinestone on my lips, which was the reason why I chose lip gloss as my choice of a lippy for this makeup look. And I'm going to use the same set that I showed you with the rhinestones. I'm not going to use the NYX glitter glue, and I'm going to use the same rhinestone picker upper, but only on the wax part. So you're going to see in the next clips that are coming up that I rearrange, or I place rhinestones on my lip area, starting from the largest rhinestones or the biggest rhinestones in this pack all the way down to the smallest. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you can see more of me. Also, do not forget to click on that notification bell so that way you are on the alert as to when my videos are out. That's all I have for today. Please be sure to check out the previous video in the section that's coming up next, and I will see you there. Bye!